Hello, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So let us see the post-market analysis for today. So yesterday I have clearly mentioned that this is the strong resistance zone, and we have a stronger resistance at 40,000. Okay, so let us see how market behaved. So it was beyond our expectation that market open, gap up, okay, and way to above this particular strong resistance zone. So it moved hardly 100 points, and as it faced the resistance, we saw a very quick downfall. Okay, hardly within half an hour, uh, it dropped from 40,000 to this particular level, 39,400, almost 600 points. And one more thing to take into consideration, or if you note that this gap, whatever gap was created over here, got filled today at this particular candle. Okay, and market bounced back heavily, we can say, taking the support of this particular level and 39,500. Again it faced the resistance, and we saw another downfall. So at the end, you can see market is taking the support of this trend line which we had drawn exist already. So this was it regarding the post market analysis. Let us see what do we have for tomorrow. So this is a day view chart, and what we can see is, even if there was a quick downfall or a sharp selling in the morning, market is holding at the top at this level. Okay, so what we can see by looking at this wick, we can still see that buyers are holding on even if there is a selling pressure. So this particular level, what we can see, the wick or a kind of a gap section, is market is making another uh, support zone at this particular level. If market sustains uh, till expiry above this particular level, that is what we can say is 39,350, then we can see another sharp rally in the upward direction. Okay, so this was it from the day view point. And what we can see another, if we turn our regular candlestick pattern to Heiken Ashi, still what we can see is a strong bullish momentum. Okay, we don't get to see at least a negative candle on a day time frame. If we move it to hourly time frame, then we can see a sideways movement, and a later half was a downfall and holding at this particular level. Okay, so let us move on to intraday levels. So at the bottom you can see the levels that I have marked. One thing to take consideration is 39,800 level has become more stronger, and 40,000 level is has become more stronger than what we can see yesterday. This is based on the option OI data present on the option chain analysis. Okay. Mm, and what all do we see on the chart? So as I specified, we saw the pending gap was filled. Second thing, market is taking support on this particular trend line. So now this support has been taken more than three times. You can draw this trend line on hourly time frame and then convert the chart into 15 minutes time frame. You would get to see this. So more chances of breaking if we see uh, from the trend viewpoint, trend line point of view, that market can come down, particularly from this particular level. It can take support or move sideways between 39,200 to 39,500. This is one possibility. Second thing, let us go by our daily routine, that is how to take the trade based on market opening. Okay, so based on market opening, if market opens gap up above this particular level 39,650, then we can see market going up to 39,800, and then it may face the resistance. So what we saw, same scenario we can see, market was not able to break the previous high, and it made another low. So this is based on the price action. What we can see, when market started moving up, it made a higher high, okay, and higher low. So this low was taken out at this particular level. A new low was created, even that was taken out by this big candle, and market uh, closed over here. So if this particular high is not taken out tomorrow, what I am highlighting 39,700 level, then we can see, considering the price action of a downfall, we may see further downfall or sideways market. Okay, so more what I can say, yesterday also I had predicted that we can see sideways but downfalling market. Same way I'm expecting that market can go either sideways around this particular level 39,500, because we have a support uh, zone good support zone at this particular level. So do not enter into the trade if market opens between 39,500 to 650. Let it cross either of the levels, and based on the formation of candles, positive or negative, take the trade. So if market opens gap down below this particular level, that is 39,400, then wait for market to come down to this particular level. If it reaches this particular level, then you can enter into the buy trade. Okay, so this was in short regarding uh, bank nifty intraday analysis for tomorrow, that is 20th of October. I hope you like the analysis. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends as well. Do mention into the comment section whatever your thought process are, what difficulties are you facing, or whatever we can see, or even you can share your experience as well. One more tip, as I always say, do not carry forward your positions. Okay, at least in the options, try to close book the loss. um, do not enter into the trade without a stop loss. Okay, yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.